Hi, welcome back to Bite Size Music. Today I'm going to try and answer the question, why do we have sharps and flats? What's the point? Why can't every note just be natural, like the white notes on the piano? Why do we need these tricky flats and sharps and other things? Well, I'll suggest there are two reasons, these two we're thinking about today. One is so that you can play a major scale in a different key. Another is so that you can play other scales in the key of C or any key you want. So for instance, if we just play white notes, you might want to sort of, in the key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. It makes you sort of want to go. If you would do that in G, and try and do that little, that's an F sharp. So you need that F sharp to make this scale be G major. Hence, D major, which is the fifth of the G, has an F sharp in it, as I said before. So then the second thing is, well, what happens if you don't apply that F sharp to G? It starts off pretty similar, but then you get this flattened seventh, which sounds much more Leonard Skinner than Sailor. Also sounds like The Voice. It's a totally different feel and lends itself to some great singing in that case, and not me, the original record, and just a different sound, which is good fun. You know, if you learn one shape, you can start getting different sounds out of it, which is really good. So I hope that answers that question. No doubt has been bothering you all day. Why these sharps? Why these flats? It's so that you can play major scales all over the place, and it's also so that you can play other scales as you wish to. And the only other thing I'd say is on the piano, the white notes are there. It's very easy to learn C major. You just start on C and go up to another C on the white notes. On a guitar, you've got to start learning shapes and thinking a bit more about the fact that there's a tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone to get there. But once you've learned that, you can change key really easily on a guitar. So if I go to, say, a C sharp, it's the same shape. Not so on the piano, you have to learn a completely different shape, it's much harder. So different things, different horses for courses, but in terms of understanding the theory, it's easier on a piano. Learning the notes on the neck is harder on a guitar because there's this bewildering array of vastness to try and get your head around with no handy sharps and flats repeated in nice octaves. So that said, take advantage of the fact on a guitar you can learn one shape and do lots with it. And I'll leave it there for today. Have fun playing The Voice and Leonard Skinner. See you next time on Bite Size Music.